Good morning, everyone. Hello, guys. How do you like my Christmas style? Let me move like this. That's better, definitely. Good morning, everyone. Do you like it? Do you like my Christmas hat? Like little one. That nice, right? Also would like to add, I was redrawing my levels today because it's new contract. I was like, I need to redraw something, right? Guys, I removed so far ES and NQs from the tab, so you will see a symbol and price, like time frame lower. How to find? Would like to add something. Can I remove background somehow? No, I cannot. What else should I add, guys? If I'm going to remove background, let me add this one just to see how it works. Yeah, it's like warm one. It's really cold today in Florida, guys. Any trade so far because I'm still flat. We will take something together. Red background. What if I'm trying to play with my layout today. Oh, I like it. Any way to save this somehow? You gold long. Alright, I'm watching on gold higher as well. So we just entered for untapped fair value gap, but my levels that I'm watching for today is going to be 43.59, which is 50% of daily week. What do you think about this? So I already changed contract. So going to trade March contract today. It's going to be a completely new price. So what I'm watching for now on gold, unfortunately, we didn't get a single setup to long this according to models that I trade personally. I know if you trade it like with RDC, but you need to enter like at 5 a.m. Obviously, I wasn't in front of my charts. So we might actually retrace lower to this 30-minute fair value gap, and it's not 30-minute fair value gap just yet. It's going to be probably in 18 minutes. But if it's going to retrace to this area, we'll offer potential SIP. We'll try to long this to aim for 43.59. Download. Please and thank you. Go to Premiere Pro. Trying to add something else. You probably will not like it, but I want to try something. Come on, Premiere Pro, faster. New project. Skip. Let's create quick sequence to see if it's going to work or not. Looks wonderful. Export. GoPro. QuickTime. Okay. Yes, guys, Funded Next Futures running sale right now. It's going to be 25% off for new users and 15% off for existing users. So yeah, on gold idea will be ideal. On indices, guys, I would like to short. Am I crazy? I would like to short to New York Midnight Open and London Low. I'm going to explain this in my new video about about OT of high different VIX. But yeah, 67.48 is my key level. Really would like to see this. Hello, good morning, guys. Good morning. I'm still flat. I didn't take any trades yesterday during Asia and today. So we are going to trade something together. Yeah, you know, let's see, because my husband said like NQ makes sense to go, on NQ it makes sense to go higher. I was like, well. Sounds great, definitely. Okay, close this. Well, I was shorting on TradingView TV yesterday. I closed at break even, but I'm going to show you where I entered the trade. I entered the trade yesterday. What time it was? Oh, not here, obviously. Come on, Dasha. I entered the trade here. And target was where it dropped. My entry was here at 212, 210. We got set up for this. And yes, it dropped. Fortunately, it was break even, but still. I could short again. I wish I shorted again. Long, guys, I'm not going to lie. Longs didn't make any sense. Forgot to highlight. I did, guys, new levels on my chart. Maybe I missed something. If you see I missed something, please tell me. Because I was drawing levels all morning. That's why I'm late. I didn't realize it's already like 9:05. Come on, gold. Are you kidding me? And you know, no FOMO at this point because we know we trade one model on gold and we want to follow rules. If no setup presented based on this model, no trades. Why lights? You know, I don't know how to add video like with no background on OBS. So I wish I could do lights, but not today. I may improve this like by tomorrow. Do you like my little Christmas hat? Santa hat? It looks so cute. Okay, export. Tell me what you want to offer me here. Where did you save these? Videos, second folder. Okay. So what is this? Nothing. Well. Guys, if you cannot see symbol on my chart, I move this. Right now it's at the bottom. So it's date, symbol, and time frame. Let me know if I need to move this somewhere, so I will try to improve this. Yes, March contract, guys. 1 second. I need to add something like at least this one, I guess. Yeah, basically, yes. You need to keep this, adjust to contract changes. It's on my chart right now, so yeah. Yeah. Anyway. So let's see, guys, what we are going to execute today. What I like, why I'm saying like I would like to see shorts today. Let's take a look at weekly chart. I'm going to hide drawings and show you something. As you can see, we all know once we got sweep on any time frame, but we are going to use time frame alignment chart. We got weekly sweep. So in order to confirm sweep, let's say on weekly chart, we need to have for our order block. And once we got for our order block, we can say yes, the sweep confirmed. So in order to trade continuation of the sweep, we need to get another for our order block with a new candle, weekly candle. This means within this candle, we need to get for our OB and say, is it continuation setup or not? And let's switch on for our chart and take a look at this. See? Since this order block was started forming on Sunday, this means yes, we got confirmation. Okay, we got confirmation. And today with 8:30 AM news, we did trace to this order block. Definitely we can retrace to 50% of this OB, but looking on ES, a bit tricky on NQ, makes sense to get move lower. Yes, we entered daily fair value gap, that's perfectly fine, but I still believe we have room to go lower, and we have 50% of monthly week, basically OT of this week. And if price can drop to 67.48 based on March contract, I will start looking for reversal. So I may look for shorts today, at least for now. Gold said, if you guys forget about your trade. Got it? Classic. So guys, no plan for gold anymore. So what we expect to get? I really want to see retracement too long to 43.59. No plan anymore. We already traded near New York midnight open. Daniel, why are you even asking? The gold said FU and I'm going to go without you guys. Like, pff. What are you talking about? Like long? Are you kidding me? No thanks. The straight move up since 5 AM. Look at this price action, like overall. Since 9 PM, nothing happened. It could retrace for us, so we could long this. I mean, we got our DC, but it was like just ugly sweep and order block. Well, no plan right now. I'm going to come back later to gold because I don't know. I mean, I would like to see higher. I would like to see previous week high taken, but are we going to have setup for this long? Please, can you retrace for us? I'm just asking. We got potential daily sweep and it was confirmed by early order block. Right, but still. We could enter like at 8 AM using hourly order block. It wasn't smart, really. Good job who entered long. I will look for a retracement to enter long to aim for previous week high level. Yes, so idea is if it's going to form early for a while, I get probably retracement back there, like 43.35, 30 area, longs to 43.87. It will be plan. Since just straight move up since, I would say 7 a.m. Maybe this one. Seems good. So let's hope to get retracement. Please, we don't need straight move up. We need some retracement so we can trade this, please. Let's talk about ES and NQ. Since we got weekly sweep, it was confirmed by 4 order block here. With 8:30 a.m. news, we retraced there while NQ failed. I guess perfectly fine. We're trying to stay below 50%, so honestly, I don't mind to see lower. I'm gonna look for shorts. Yes, I do mark previous day high and previous day low levels using daily candle. That's right. What else? What else? Guys, what is your bias? Did I miss something? I'm not going to lie, I didn't see any entry on gold for long. It just straight move up in my humble opinion. Yeah, let's compare our analysis, guys. What I'm missing. Yes, for equilibrium from midnight to midnight. That's funny, right? But that's true. Wait a minute. What do you think about 24/7 NQ market trading? Tell me more about this. Did I miss something? Did I miss something? It used to be 23.7, 23, actually 23.5, if I don't want to count Sunday. One second. Nasdaq seeks to extend trading hours as Wall Street gears up for 24/7. I mean, this means we can trade this on Saturday? I mean, stupid, I guess. They're going to extend time to lose all our money, right? Weekly, it's probably stupid, I guess. So I like this week here, which confirms idea of short-term bearish bias. What else I would like to use? Let's switch on 5. If it's going to hold this order block at the open, might be shorts. Right at the open shorts, I mean, hate this idea. But if it's going to hold this OB, which is very important, we can go here to New York midnight open. But it's very important to stay below this level. So let's see. Yes, on both. Yes, and NQ would like to see New York midnight open. Market is going to open in 3 minutes. All right. You like my Christmas decorations? That's perfect, right? I may need to improve something. I don't know what what yet, but I will. I'm gonna add maybe snow because Tradify TV has snow, and I just like it so much. I need to add this as well. Just need to figure out how to make a transparent background, how to save this in Premiere Pro, because I know how to save the like picture without as video without any movement there. But I don't know how to save. Maybe I can do this. I don't know. I need to figure this out. I'm going to Google this. I really don't know if I'm going to. Snow. Animated, please, and thanks. Looks so bad. No, it's not what I want. Yes, March 2026 contract. Yes, exactly. Don't too fast. This isn't too bad. This one looks ugly. Okay, guys, market is open. Let's focus right now. So my analysis is if it's going to hold this 5-minute order block on ES, we might try to short this, but no, I don't want to short right at the open. We're gonna see, so I'm not in a rush. Micro is going to connect accounts right now. I don't usually wait for the closure of high time frame candle to confirm sweep. Why? Because I usually trade potential sweep, and once we got confirmation on so-called lower time frame, because it's really hard to call hourly chart as low time frame. Yeah, it's enough for me to say, I'm going to enter the trade. I don't need to wait for the closure. Looking for short to aim for New York midnight open. Question is where we're going to enter, like what level we are going to use. Preferably 5-minute order block. On gold, it's really hard to say. It's already hit levels that I was watching for longs. Probably I'm going to wait for the retracement. Let's open SPX, guys, real quick. Oh, look at this where we opened. We opened already buy sentiment. Okay, it might be tricky right now for shorts. 1 second. We'll try to figure this out. We are at OTO of RTH gap. Well, this is a question then. With OTO of RTH gap, normally it can offer reaction. Because if no reaction from 70.5%, like between 70.5 and 62%, normally it's going to fill the gap. Let's see what kind of reaction we are going to get first. We have news at 9:45. Yes, I'm not in a rush. Of course, I would like to be done before news, but we will see. SMC above will be helpful, yeah. Like it's only 9:32. 33 to be more specific. We are not in a rush. Kind of big range right now. SPX trying to offer the action from OT of RTH gap. So see levels 2, 3, 5-minute chart. So I don't want to chase the price just yet. Like, I would like to see shorts to New York with night open. I'm not going to lie, I don't see probability entry yet. Look at 3-minute chart. Quite tricky right now. But we got a test of 5-minute OB again. And check SPX once again. As you can see, we got it offered like random, of course, random reaction from OT of RTH gap, 70.5%. So maybe we can look for shorts if it's going to close below this level. We can try at least. It's on SPX. On NQ, no, on a yes, I don't know yet. I will keep you updated. But once it's, where's my buy? Come on, my chart disappeared. I will keep you updated watching this right now. On 2-minute chart, I'm waiting for the closure below 60 on SPX 68.02. On 2-minute chart, if it's going to close, we might try to short. But it's going to be really just scalp for like 10 points. I don't like this kind of scalps, you know, when we're close to target. Yeah, me too. Still flat. Didn't take a single trade yet. I'm just trying to plan right now what I would like to see, what I would use for entry. Because if it's going to close on SPX, it did not yet. It's going to be, like, seriously, it's going to be garbage disc reward. It's not even 1 hour. Not a fan of this. Okay, like, partial here, final TP over here. Well, SPX didn't close. See? Stay away. Closure below this level may offer shorts. We closed within this kind of range. No interest in this. Keep waiting. What music playing at background? 1 second. I will try to find for you. How to check? This one. You can find on YouTube. You can use this for free on your videos if you want. Do you like it? It's going to the moon. You mean indices, gold? What? Oh, you're very welcome. At least I can be helpful for someone. Yeah, I hate to, you know, I hate to have lots of drawings on my chart. Really, that's extremely confusing for me. I'm trying to delete like as many as I can. Like, if I see like unnecessary levels that already was tested, I'm gonna delete this. I don't need this. So right now, just trying to keep my chart like really clean. Good morning, good morning. Hit the like, let's do giveaway. Thank you so much. On gold, on gold, my initial plan was retracement down to aim for 43.59. It just hit this level without any retracement. Zero interest right now. In longs, I would try to wait for a move down, somewhere between like 43.30, 35. And if it's going to potential sweep there, I will try to long to previous week high level. You know, we got straight move up on 30-minute chart and hourly. I have no interest in this. Look at how ES trying to respect 5-minute order block so far. I mean, looks so good, but right now, entering short is going to be like equals chasing the price. Look how strong in Q right now. Pretty bullish comparing to ES. Yeah, no rush. Okay, guys, I'm looking for shorts in New York midnight open. I'm not going to lie. I already said before, even if I want to execute like right now and put my stop loss at this order block, preferably 50%, a risk reward, I mean, doesn't look so bad, but not perfect, definitely not perfect. Why I don't want to enter this short right now? Because NQ is extremely bullish comparing to ES. So I guess I will be perfectly fine to miss the trade. I would try to miss and trade this garbage. Right. How many points, by the way, stop loss? 1 second. Like, ideally, I need to put stop loss at 50%. Like, 12 points to make 15. In low probability conditions. News in 5 minutes. No thanks. Top step down. I stopped trading Project X completely. Like, completely. I log out from my TradingView accounts. I mean, from my accounts there. I'm not going to come back. I had like really bad luck there last week. So I said goodbye. Not going to come back. It's dropping, that's perfectly fine. As I said before, I would try to miss because like risk reward looks bad. No FOMO right now. I would try to miss and trade this price action. In my opinion, I cannot call this high probability step, but yes, it's based on pretty much logic that I normally trade, but really not worth it. Not worth it. Yes, 5-minute order block. Where's your stop loss? But what is your target? New York midnight open? I didn't. I said I would try to miss this. But yeah, logic short was here, just didn't worth it. Like this 12 points to make 15. Yeah, we just got the closure. Gold needs to retrace back to tortoise. You know, I mean, I'm perfectly fine, like, to see it dropped where I wanted. I'm happy with the analysis. Like, I know if it was, like, not chop before, I would enter this trade. Probably it could be win, but still. Didn't worth it. See this? Look at this. It failed to take New York midnight open. It's probably going to just go without us. Isn't blue it? It's classic. Trust me, that's classic. Guys, I'm still flat. Like, nothing to show you. As I said, I'm perfectly fine to me the trade. It's really not worth it. Especially if it's going to right now offer V-shaped reversal, it could be just unnecessary stress for me to sit in this trade. Well, fine to say, this trade right before news. Well, I'm fine. News in less than 1 minute. Guys, did you short this? Just asking, where is your target if you shorted? New York midnight open as well? I was in mental trade as well, so like really. Just happy with analysis. And happy I didn't take it. Yeah, news came out, guys. Come on, where's my volatility? Straight move down? I mean, I don't mind straight move down. I don't mind straight move down all the way down, like another 100 points. Okay, no FOMO, I'm going to just wait. I hope gold is going to retrace for us. Back to 40s. Yeah, London low, yeah. Feels like similar price actions we got yesterday, right? No, they didn't flash. I don't know how to do this. $67.50. 1 second. Well, quite tricky to talk about 67.50. I mean, totally possible. Right now, see this area over here? It's old RTH gap. So I would say 67.79, 67.74 first. What do you have at 67.50? Because seems like I don't have levels. Is like liquidity or something? What do you have there, if you don't mind me to ask? I guess I missed something on my chart. Yeah, we are going to do giveaway. What do you have at 67.50? You got the closure on 2-minute chart, like right here, right at New York midnight open. Like in general, Chris? Of course, hourly chart. I prefer hourly over than for over 4-hour chart. Thank you so much, guys. Look how perfect reaction from New York midnight open. That's funny. Market makers, where's my price? For reading the market so well. Oh, by the way, I forgot. See this? Market maker sent me this. When it was like 1 year ago. Well. I was about to break my keyboard, my desk, my mic, my head. You got it. My head, you got it. You got it. So, market maker send me this. Well. Please control your body. Yeah. Sorry, my baby. Oh, thank you so much, guys. How to determine is a current order flow is bullish or bearish? I already discussed this. Like, seriously, guys, it's really hard for me to explain how I read the market. Like, really, sometimes I feel like it's impossible. I just feel like market needs to go here. Like, I'm not going to lie. I just feel like we need to go here. Simply because I see like overall market structure. And I'm like, we should drop here. Why? Because we should drop here. Look at how SPX respected 25% of old RTH gap from November 25. Intuition comes with experience. I guess that's true. Not only for trading, like overall, right? So we trade back to 50% of current RTH gap. Definitely we have lots of volume at the top of this gap. So definitely we can feel this gap. I do like her price right now, how ES right now took New York midnight open and Q failed. So we have some sort of SMT. And NQ really strong with this move up. And that's perfectly fine, I would say, because ES failed, not failed, it actually took this for order block and Q failed. So if it's going to bounce, probably will bounce to 470.75, which is for our order block. Let's see what we can use for entry. Because I'm fine with reaction from New York midnight open. I'm not fine to chase the price after we got this. Yes, we are going to do giveaway. Yes. Just hit the like, guys. Gold stuck right now at fair value gap and 50% of daily week. Once again, I'm bullish to previous week high level. If you open like 30-minute chart or hourly chart, today we didn't get set up to engage based on our model, right? In these longs. But still, if it's going to retrace to offer potential sweep, I will give it a try. And I will aim for previous week high. I hope it's going to retrace back to this area like 30, 35. So basically, it's going to be OT 50%. And I might try this. Oops. So let's talk about this. Seems like we got order block here as reaction from New York midnight open, and it was potential 30-minute sweep. I guess the only issue, since I would like to see 470 on, which is 100 points higher on NQ, only issue with target on ES. Like seriously, I don't know about target. Let me check something. Where's 2R? Will be here. Maybe even, like, not sure about the setup yet, but maybe if NQ wants to take 470.75, which is for our order block, we can go to 50% of this order block on ES at 69.05. What else I can see here? Guys, it's me or it really looks choppy right now? Hit the like, let's do giveaway. I just feel like you definitely have, like, ignoring NQ, like, I don't want to look at NQ chart. I would continue going lower on the yes. Seriously. Okay, just gonna wait. I trade everything if setup presented. NQ looks like really bullish, but ignoring NQ chart, I would short a yes. I would like to see RTH test of daily fair value gap. And like at least, preferably even lower. SPX fills a gap, so let's see if it's going to trace lower. Like seriously, guys. Let me delete this for now. I don't want to look for this order block just yet. Yeah, I would say NQ looks bullish and we have room to go higher, but yes, at the same time, looks a bit more bearish. That's why I'm saying, like, if I want to ignore NQ chart, I would look for setup, to short setup on yes. See SPX weekly chart, 1 second. Oops. Consolidation, so look at this, like, we need to fill this gap. Let me highlight this. Sorry guys, I'm going to remove this indicator for you. I know it looks so bad. I don't know, guys. Looks so good to take this level. 67, 65. Especially we got a 4-hour order block. We got weekly sweep. Like, I don't see a reason not to take this. Check heat map for US stocks. I don't know how to check this. It's March contract. March. ESH 2026. NQH 2026. I'm saying if NQ wants to pump, like, it may look like this. We're going here, and on ES is going to probably go to this level. 50% of for order block. But I'm not going to lie. Are you good today? Why you asking? I mean, if I feel good, if I traded something. 67.45. Oh, I meant 67.65 on SPX chart. 67.65 SPX, not ES. Did I say yes? SPX. If I said yes, my bad. I could say, by the way. Yeah, Chris, preferably, but we cannot blindly enter the trade. Your comment. Where's the maximum only? I don't know. $67.65. Where's weekly open? Do I have this level on my chart? No. Oh, I'm fine. Thank you. Perfectly fine. 67 mentioned. Yes. I'm still completely flat, like nothing to hide. Nothing to hide, still flat. See? Took nothing yet. See my perfect profit, guys? Can I count my millions right now with this profit? I feel like I'm a bit bearish on ES. And on SPX. Yeah. Yeah, it's not even 10 yet, so you don't need to be in a rush. Just yet. Yes, we do have SMT at lows, I know. And Q can bounce to 470 easily. This level can be key level. Let me see crystal ball. I was about to break my desk because it's extremely heavy and fell down. See this? Come on, market makers, where are we going? Can you please tell me? Yeah, you know, Chris, what I would like to see? I would like to see, if you open monthly chart, definitely it might continue going higher. My husband said he's bullish. I asked him this morning what you would like to see. He said NQ will go up. I was like, so I held 50% of this monthly week, so I would like to see 50%. If my husband is going to be right, he's going to say his classic phrase. Why are you sitting here? Like, why you don't know anything? Like his classic phrase when he's right but I'm wrong in trading. I told you. Why you keep sitting here? You need to watch like some videos to learn how to trade. And he always does this. Always when he's right about trading, I'm wrong. He always does this. And he said like, I'm bullish today. So far, he's right. I hope it's going to drop. I mean, I said to him, like, I see like ES a bit more bearish, but in Q quite tricky because in Q you trace to discount while ES still sitting above equilibrium, so basically we're still in premium, right? And we tested breaker block on daily. So technically, yes, in Q can bounce, but talking about ES, I don't know. I hope gold is going to trade, so we are going to trade gold because right now indices, like, could be better. Took short. You shorted silver. Okay, let me see. Good job. It's hard for me to back to silver after a huge loss. We need to take like solid short today. And I'm going to say like, see, I said it's going to be bearish. I cannot call my husband, for example, as trader. All traders talk the same way. I told you so. I knew it will do this or that. I mean... And we keep taking mental trades, right? So, okay. Let's see. We got the closure below this level. I would like to be bearish so bad. I cannot be bearish right now on Q. I check SPX real quick. SPX looks good. Look at this. It broke below 50% already. Okay, I guess plan. If it's going to close here, I will try. I may look for short. Cannot say like for sure I'm going to short this, but it will be plan. If it's going to close below this level. Let's see, less than 2 minutes left on this candle. Okay, going to delete for now. I'm waiting for the closure below this level, and I will try shorts. I think so. Midnight. NQ just too strong with bullish bias. See how strong it is? But whatever. If it's going to close, why not to try? Like 5 micros. How big stop loss is going to be? Like 15 points. 15 micros, around like $360 or so. I don't know yet. But it's going to be something like this. Yes, we are going to have giveaway today. Hit the like. So for now, I can recommend. So you prefer end of the day drawdown, right? So I recommend TradingView or Lucid. Like seriously, Lucid price will be running 50% off right now for new users. But Lucid has no buffer for on their flex plan. No second month's payment for your evaluation. It's basically one-time evaluation fee plus no activation fee. So it's perfect. While TradingView has daily payouts option. So I like this as well. Yes, like guys, I'm not going to lie. I would like to short yes because yes looks extremely bearish. I know Lucid works with China, I believe. You need to check this ticket list. I'm going to check for you. Yes. TradingView works with China. Yeah, as well as Lucid works with with China. Guys, okay, we are going to wait for the closure. It's very important. I'm going to change the color to red one because it's really important to try this. TradingView has plan. Their select plan has no consistency rule on funded, which is really amazing. Like seriously. And nothing. And nothing. Come on, give us a tap, please. Please. So as you can see, we never got the closure, which is really important. Yeah, I can say for sure I can trade pretty much one strategy. Like, seriously. Sometimes I mix this with M2 model, but often, really often I trade with one strategy. Alan saying 5-minute hourly showing bullish. And Q bullish. That's why I said I will try to short if it's going to close here. Otherwise, no thanks. I just do. Alan, what is your target on ES? Like seriously, you're trying to aim for what? 69.05? Yes, I still trade funded next futures. No issue with this. 69.03. What do you have at 69.03? I'm perfectly fine to wait. Hit the like, let's do giveaway, guys. . It's when you know what is tricky right now. I would like to short the yes while NQ is still bullish. That's the issue. Yeah, no consistent trail means you can make as much as you can, as much as you want. I'm still looking for short on yes with closure. Nothing changed. It will offer a shift in structure to downside if it's going to close, so I may try this. I start liking this slowly. Okay, I start liking this. Longs on gold really hard. Pretty much straight move. Looks good. Just needs to close. That's really important, please. Maybe I would like to try it without closure because it's close to this time. No, gonna wait. Are you kidding me? What a scam. Okay, we technically got the closure here. That can be enough for me. I just saw NQ by the way. Look at NQ. NQ never closed. What a scam. I have no FOMO by the way right now. I'm fine with any result, but really don't mind to try. No. Guys, hit the like, let's do giveaway. Longest, I mean, are you sure? I mean, what? Let me log into my funding ticks. Because I would like to try this on funding ticks only, on these funded accounts. Yeah, I'm going to log out from Epix. It's going to be traded for funding ticks. Log in, please. Something went wrong. That sounds perfect. Oh, thank you so much. Something went wrong. From finding 6, yes. My balance 53k there right now. Since my balance 53k there right now, so maybe it's worth it. Potential SIP not confirmed yet. And nothing. Did you add email yesterday on your YouTube? Let me check if you won yesterday, your task is to add email to the description of your YouTube, so I can send you an account. Because I believe I sent, how many accounts I sent yesterday? Like 2, but I had to send 3. I didn't find one email. Oh, we got the closure, guys. Actually, it's short. According to my plan. I didn't see your email then. In Q also for the closure. Let's see where is entering in Q. Maybe this one. SPX needs to go to 50% of alt RCH gap. Taking notes right now, because I can forget. Here's for NQ, I believe. It will not retrace, probably. I think so. Gold, I don't see short on gold yet. What is your target on gold? 43, 30? 35? Like, I would like to see 43, 30, I guess. Is it ready? It's finding 6, yeah, that's right. See how price be moving. It gives you an entry based on your bias and moves just a few ticks in the nearest high or nearest low. Let me read this. I guess I didn't get this. NinjaTrader, of course, is better. See how price be moving. If it gives you an entry based on your buys, it moves just a few ticks. Can you please rephrase for me? I don't really understand what you're talking about. On gold, I would like to see 43.35 area. It's based on hourly chart. MMXM, good morning. Where were you? And you need to take New York midnight open, so it's going lower. Sorry, guys. I said before, ES really like way more bearish compared to NQ. But I would like to see it going lower. Nothing changed. See SPX right now at the middle of nowhere. We should take this low and go all the way down here. To 50% and 62%, I would say. Hit the like, let's do giveaway, guys. Yeah. Nice move down here. And Q still has room to go lower. I would say New York midnight open will be nice to see. I would like to see London low taken. Like, considering if we need to drop another like 100 points on NQ, we can easily drop to London low. So right now we can retrace to this fair value gap on NQ. As I said before, ES really bearish comparing to NQ. I would like to see it dropping actually lower than London low. I would like to see it dropping all the way down to 67.48. But right now, let's see if it's going to retrace first. Just 2-minute fair value gap. I don't like shorts. I mean on gold, not on yes, perfectly fine. My bad. On gold, I don't like short. What is your approach in drawdown? Well, my Epic still has trend drawdown. That's why I said I'm not going to trade Epics. I was trying to trade funding ticks because they are close to payout there. Select depends what you want to. Like, there is option daily payouts. There is option flex payouts every 5 days, where you need to build the buffer. Did you enter on my TradeView account? Yes. For sure, on NQ, it's not going to right now take New York midnight open. So yeah, shorts from this fair value gap. I guess there is no option to show trade weight without showing the account number. Full TP on NQ is going to be New York midnight open, trust me. $30 points drop, place, like that's insane. So that's it on ES. On ES, it's on trader weight micro ES H6. And Q still has room to go lower. This to the tick exits. And Q still has room to go lower. Who is executing on trading Q? Like, seriously? Technically, it's field. You shot it from the top? Wow. I still would like to see lower. Let's see if it's going to retrace to this fair value gap. SMT at loss. No, we need to take New York midnight open, otherwise it's a scam. Look at SPX. Such a coincidence. If it doesn't work, it's a scam. Come on, I have like direct contact with market makers. What you're talking about? On personal. It's ES chart. ES, it's futures. I didn't put magnet. Like, are you kidding me? No, VHS is fair value gap. I would like to see lower. Price took you out and now it's moving up. I mean, it left room to go lower, I'm not going to lie, but what about ES left London low as well? So it's right now it's going to retrace and will continue going lower. I think so. So I'm still flat on my fund accounts, guys. Oops. Still flat here. But up on my personal. On TradeView account. I'm just, I'm looking right now in hindsight, I'm like really, in real time, what did I actually see here? So there's a trade. That's funny. Sometimes, really, like in real time, it looks way better than it's in hindsight. I'm not kidding, guys, right now. It's true like this. Like, ES took London low, but micro ES failed? That's strange. Guys, hit the like, let's do giveaway. I'm going to take screenshot on my, for my TradeView right now. 1 second. because I don't want to show account number, which I don't know how to hide. Right. 1 second. Settings, show fields, trend, trade lines as well, apply. Okay, going to take screenshot. How to hide account number, like seriously? I would like to think you still lower. I mean, this one. But I still flat unfunded. Right? In Windows, go to search tool. 1 second. And there is any option to hide account number on TradeAway itself? Who knows? Okay, let's go to settings. Application settings, accounts, subscriptions, your profile. Okay, I will check this later. Yeah, let's see if it's continue going lower. Okay. Going to close TradeAway. Going to log in here. Just on trade today, nothing else. You believe me? I mean, still. Settings secure and privacy. Okay. Gonna check it real quick. 1 second. Log in. And you said security and privacy. Okay. Privacy mode. I see this. Your account number and... Oh, yeah. And I didn't hide this. 1 second. You need to log... okay. I like it then. So I can show you my TradeAway right after this. It disappeared. Wow, that's cool. I like it then. Thank you so much. Because I feel like I'm noob. I need to Google this first. Well, perfect, amazing. Let's do, let's click the like. Let's do giveaway. Let's do some Tradify today, I guess. I still would like to see lower, by the way. See how we're trying to respect this fair value gap? Same fair value gap we got on ES. We have room to go lower. Because we got like a retracement of 15 points. Wow. Like real question then. Can we close here and it's going to be another short? Actually, we got the closure just now. I would like to think you lower 100%. I would like to think you're going to New York midnight open. What time? Oh, it's 3-minute chart. Okay, I have this on 5-minute chart open. Okay, micro, yes, 3-minute chart. We got this closure, which I actually like somehow. You know, we got the closure here on both yes and Q, and Q left room to go lower, which can be New York midnight open and London low. So I believe we still can go lower. Like, seriously, guys, I would like to see lower. Let me move this. Guys, who is still shorting? Let's compare. What you would like to get? You still would like to see lower? TradingView does not have activation fee, no. We will do giveaway in 10 minutes, okay? Let's take a look a little bit. Because I would like to take a trade unfunded as well. No keyword yet. Let's focus a little bit. If you don't mind. Because we have 50% of monthly week. 67.48 looks so good. I'm just wondering what level I would like to aim for, because there is a drop a lot. Like 50% of fair value gap. Guys, what is your target for shorts? Like New York with net open and NQ, I like it, but I'm thinking about right now to trade second stage of market maker Selma on lower time frame. Your 15-minute structure on NQ, right? Because yes was bearish from the very beginning. %50 of daily fair value gap, yes, same. So if I'm going to enter short, I will aim for this level as well. I'm just not sure what I would like to use for entry just yet. On NQ, we have target at New York midnight open, probably London low. But now it's a bit tricky entry. So far, my look where I closed my trade at the bottom here. I always put stop loss, not stop loss, TP 1 point higher. But yes, today I was right with my bias. That's funny. But still, I would say we still trade inside the range, right? Okay, I'm going to send a keyword for giveaway. Let's do giveaway. Yeah, let's do giveaway. Okay. Did I write this right? Yes, I think so. Okay, it's going to be a keyword. So let's see. It's still trying to trace this fair value gap from 3-minute chart. Left room to go lower. I'm looking if I can trade another short later. Still flat on this funded. We're gonna see. Got fair value gap here. Let's see if this can be reclaimed fair value gap. So basically we are going to test 5-minute. Oh, not 5. 3-minute reclaimed fair value gap. Okay. Okay. While you are typing this keyword, let's talk about something. Not this one, this one. Let's talk about something. Here's the link. I'm not going to send the link yet, but you asked me about the prop firm restricted countries. So I have my own website where you can search for restricted countries and see if this country is allowed in this prop firm or not. For example, let's talk about China. So in China, for China, if you're from China, profit for China. So you can trade Tradify, you can trade Take Profit Trader, you can trade Lucid, Legends, Funded Next Futures. So as you can see, this country is not in the restricted list for these prop firms, while for Funditix and Apex is in the restricted list. That's for China, for example. That's for example. Let's talk about which country I would like to pick. I know. Let me update right now. Let's do which one? South Africa, for example. For South Africa, you cannot trade this in Apex, Take Profit Trader, and Lucid, for example. Yes, Ukraine, Russia, yes, exactly. But South Africa is allowed in Tradify, Legends, Funding 6, and Funded Next Futures. So I'm going to send you a link right now for this guide, so you can enter your country 1 second. Going to send link in the chat once you're done with giveaway. Going to show you a quick guide. 1 second. Keep typing the word in the chat, so I'm going to do giveaway for you guys. It's going to be used in Tradify. Scan code. Are you kidding me? Okay, guys, let's pick first winner. Tap in this keyword. I'm going to give you another one. And winner is you. Are you in the chat? Hi, Michael. I didn't see you. Sniper ass. Here. Can you add email description of your YouTube? Sniper ass. I mean my exit on my short. Here's my exit on my short. I mean, look at my closure, and we're very worst. On yes. See? Sniper exit. Sorry, Michael, I didn't see your message before. How are you doing today? I normally put my TP 1 point above liquidity level. It's really saved me a lot. Lucid, yes, of course. I got Lucid for you. So, Michael, what do you think about going lower today on indices? I believe NQ needs to take New York midnight open still. A bit tricky price action right now, but I still believe we have room to go lower. Like overall. On monthly chart, we have huge week. So I would say 50% of this week. Looks good. So I might look for another short during PM session. London low will be my TP, but I still would like to see lower. We got RTH test of daily fair value gap. So yeah, I hope it's going to go lower. And we're doing giveaway right now. Well, New York midnight open is going to be next keyword for giveaway. Why? Because NQ needs to take New York midnight open. Otherwise, market is a scam. I'm kidding, but still, come on. So I will look for shorts, like one more trade today. You know, this crystal ball is my like big help in trading. $30. I guess it was $30 on Amazon. Guys, joke aside, I mean, I really would like to see one more like lower. Maybe not right now, because right now we have nothing to short, obviously. But I hope it's going to offer a short stop during PM session so I can trade this. Need crystal ball on ASAP. I mean, on Amazon, I just searched like crystal ball, and I guess it was first option that it gave me. That's funny, but it really closed at the bottom so far, which I don't like because I would like to see lower. Check gold. On gold, guys, I will not long until we retrace down here. I believe we're going to previous week high level, yes. But I would like to see retracement down to our fair value gap first. Maybe we don't need like such a deep retracement to this fair value gap. Maybe like just touch like above 50% will be enough, right? Why didn't I mean nothing wrong with this, I guess. You know, I just don't really like overall chop around this. So we got, yes, I mean, 3 reverse pattern here for short, but overall it was consolidation, and we were consolidating inside this fair value gap. And when we inside consolidation, just I know myself, I always take bad entries and bad trades. Like most of the time, it hits my stop loss. I'm not in buy. I'm not going to lie, it's hard for me to long because it left room to go lower. I would try to look for another short. Maybe I'm crazy, but yes, please. We chase. I hope it's going to offer like another leg down for us. How each high and low taken. Yeah, I got it. It's interesting because I truly believe like overall we are bullish, but if I want to consider monthly power of 3, like current candle, I believe we need to see manipulation slightly lower. So we have daily volume imbalance lower, and we have 50% of monthly week lower. So what I would probably, I definitely can be wrong about this, but like continue dropping here, like somewhere here, and look for like a reversal to all-time high. I cannot say like December price action really bad, but yes, it's a bit consolidation. Right now we trace to OT. Cody said he wants to see this one? 43, 43. I would like to see even lower. Like somewhere here. I can try to long from there. I mean, yeah. What kind of news we have, guys, today? So I'm just trying to figure out what market is going to wait for. It's Tuesday, right? Today's Tuesday, right? Yes. We are going to have CPI on Thursday. So do you think market is going to wait for CPI? And if so, this means we are going to drop the CPI down to this equal lows and... No, please. Can you please go down today so we can trade PM session? I mean, I'm not going to like short on gold doesn't look so bad. I just can. My concern is overall chop right now, right? This one. I just feel like I'm bullish on gold, and I'm not sure how deep the retracement should be to enter long to previous week high level. Ideally back to hourly fair value gap. This fair value gap, but that's big range fair value gap. It's over 20 points, and I feel like we. Really hard to say, but yeah, the retracement down will be nice, but it's going to be against the trend. I guess so. Last week, I considered we are going to get, like this week, Wednesday reversal profile. So I wanted to see manipulation down. Yes, we actually dropped, but feels like not enough. Okay, guys, let's announce second winner. And I will give you another keyword. Stop typing this keyword. Here's our winner. Are you in the chat? Are you in the chat? You here? You won, you can say, like, you can pick 1 second. I'm going to tell you which accounts I have. Lucid or Tradify. Frank, you won like yesterday. Are you here? Hello, hello. Please say it's me so we're not going to waste time. So we can continue looking for setups. Please. Okay, I'm going to give you 10 more seconds. So I'm not going to waste our time. And that's it. Pick another winner. Like 10 seconds right after this, he's going to say, it's me. I'm here. Okay, another winner. Are you in the chat? Hello, hello. Can you please add email for me? You want a Tradify or Lucid? Which one? Tell me which one. In this link, guys, stop typing this keyword. In this link, guys, you can search if your country is okay with this prop firm or not. So I sent link in the chat. I'm going to send again. Which one is better? Lucid and Tradify, both countries that are allowed in your country? Both prop firms that are allowed in your country, right? Which one is better? They're pretty much similar according to rules. So since Tradify has 1 day to pass with growth plan, I mean, which one is better for you? Like, which one you like, I'm going to give you. I don't know which one are you going to like. Just tell me. Here's the link, guys, to check if your country is okay with prop firm or not. I'm going to give you another keyword. You added email. Lucid, Tradify. Okay, I got it. Tradify then. Perfect. Let's do another one. We have a question. Do you know if I'm allowed to pass a val in 1 day on Tradify? Depends on plan. Which plan you want to trade? If gross plan, so yes, you can. If it's select plan, so you cannot. So we're trying to respect OT so far, which I do like, honestly. Only yes. I don't see shift in structure downside yet to confirm continuation setup yet. But see, lots of filler swings. So basically trying to respect trend line so far. Building low resistance to downside. If so, London low looks good later today. So I may look for shorts again. $68.12 also looks good. Let's try to put some projections. It's not even hit 2 standard deviation. Like, no way. It's not going to go there. Like, really, it's going to be scam. Just wondering if iceberg. Oh, you use bookmap, right? How do you like it, by the way? Trying to break below 50% as well. Maybe it's going to drop below New York midnight open. Down to 2 standard deviation. Basically, range between 2 and 2.5. You just broke below New York midnight open. Nice. Yeah, I used to use bookmap. I cannot say like I had like really great experience because it really was confusing for me. But yeah. Oh yeah, of course, Michael. I need your address. I'm going to send you email, okay? Thank you, Michael. I'm going to review on this. I'm going to try to send you email to get your address, okay? Of course, it's not a problem. I'm going to send you. Why it's so hot in the room? Everyone has. I don't. I will. Guys, do you have Michael's address? If so, can you send me please direct message? I'm going to send this to him. I can try to Google or ask ChatGPT if you want. But yeah, of course, that's not a problem. It looks warm, but it's hot in the room. So hot. So I'm wondering if I want to short below New York midnight open. If so, should be displacement below New York midnight open. May try this. Stop loss? No, not yet. About stop loss. Target. Yeah, I'm wondering if it's going to displace to try this. Like, would like to see down close candle. Oh, thank you so much, Michael. Of course I'm going to send you. I have some at home. Alan trying small short. I will try small short as well. Don't want to risk like a lot, but I might try this on funded accounts. Thank you, Michael. You know, we have low resistance to downside right now, like lots of failure things. We're trying to respect OT. It did not hit 2 standard deviation and left equal or low. I'm just trying to reason why we will not drop. Because I may, it can be a bit early trade, so I might actually try with small size. Like if it's going to be like this 10 points. 4 micros around like $185, $200 around. Okay, we're gonna see. We close below New York midnight open. Like I really like this. Maybe minor retracement right from New York midnight open. Stop loss above 50%. Let's check 5-minute chart. I hope it's going to retrace back to your stop loss at 63. Yeah, stop loss at 63. Maybe it's like a safe stop loss. I would say aggressive stop loss is going to be 57. If it really wants to drop, it will drop by 11:15. So basically, like within the next 3-5 minutes. What is MFF? Flash Golden, you trying to trade gold? Or... Yes? But I don't trade with my funded futures. Why are you saying this? You shorting, right? I'm thinking about entering New York midnight open. 68, 51, maybe 53. It's 11:15 already, so. I don't want to long this. I'm not going to lie. It's really like, yes, really more bearish. Let's check NQ real quick. NQ, I mean, we inverted to for value, but we have room to go lower on to New York midnight open. We will go there. Yes, for yes. Here's my website. Well, if it's going to drop like right now without a change to New York midnight open, even with this, it's going to be perfect price action. If it's going to drop right now, it's going to be ICT textbook price action. Like, I'm serious right now. If it's going to take London low right now, because you can end like you can enter here without waiting for the trade to New York midnight open. I guess it's not like a big deal. Your stop loss is going to be like not 5 points, but 8 points. See 11:15, such a coincidence. So we took internal sell side liquidity level. We never got a test of New York midnight open, but probably we are not going to get this anymore. Already displaced by 11:15. So since it's 18, since we started displacing 11:15, probably it will not retrace. It's either going to just drop right now or just will reverse from this internal sell side. I don't see reason for retracement then. Okay. Good trade idea anyway. Just expected to get immediately test of New York midnight open. You know, like sweep and drop. On gold, we should drop to 43. What level I said before? Oh, look at this drop. 30, 35. Basically to this area. Anyway, what else? Did I pick winner for giveaway? No? I didn't, right? Completely forgot about this. Okay, guys, winner. I completely forgot about this. Was focused on trade. Are you in the chat? You fast. Can you please add email and tell me what account you want to get? TradingView, Lucid. We have, 1 second. We have email here. We have email here, but I don't have your email. Which one you like? Lucid, TradingView? TradingView, okay. Then Lucid, TradingView. Okay, let me take a note of this. I believe for TradingView it's going to be 150k account. Yeah, fastest one, right? Once again, it is going to just straight move down right now or complete reversal. After 11:15, normally you will not see retracement. Normally it's just straight move up or down. If it's going to just reverse from this internal sell side, probably it will take these highs again. That's pretty much it. What else I want to say? Tomorrow I'm going to stream Vistania on my channel. Also, what else? Yeah, tomorrow stream Vistania, so we are going to trade together on this channel. Epic sale ends tonight, 90% off plus $65 activation fee. So don't forget, like today is last day. What else? About gold, we should drop to 43.30-35 area. So this is where we'll look for potential sweep to trade potential long. I'm bullish on gold to previous week high level, but if it's not going to offer a sweep on 30-minute chart or hourly chart, we'll not take longs, obviously. What else? That's it, I guess. I will see you guys today at 1 p.m. I'm going to stream on TradingView TV, PM session, as always. Yesterday got break even, unfortunately. And it actually dropped right after this. Yeah, guys, I will see you soon. Wish you good luck. Don't make stupid mistakes. What else? I would like to see London low lower. Right below London low, we have 2 standard deviations, 68.32. Alan, you still shorting? So if you didn't wait for New York midnight open, and entry right here, it's a bit aggressive entry in my opinion, but still, like we took internal sell side, like partial level, I guess. London low is final TP. Yeah, since we're displaced below New York midnight open, maybe it's smart to put stop loss at New York midnight open if you're in this trade. That's it. Yeah, guys, see you in less than 2 hours on TradingView TV. Wish you good luck. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. See you soon. Bye, everyone.